Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Amin. Today I am here to solve the sample paper solution of Skoltech scholarship test. Today's question is what is the minimal distance between any point on the sphere x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square plus z minus 3 whole square is equal to the 1, and any point on the sphere 2 of x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 4 whole square is equal to the 4. The options are available. So let's try to find out the minimal distance between two spheres. Okay. Now the first equation of the sphere is x minus 2 square plus y minus 1 square plus z minus 3 whole square is equal to the 1. By comparing this equation with the general equation of the sphere, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square plus z minus l whole square is equal to the r square, where h, k, l values are the center of the sphere and r is the radius of the sphere. By comparing the general equation with the sphere 1 equation, it gives us h is equal to the 2, k is equal to the 1 and L is equal to the 3. So the center of the sphere 1, let's say O of points K, H, K, L is equal to the 0, 1 and 2. Now the radius of the sphere now the radius of the sphere 1 is r square is equal to the 1, then r become r1 is equal to the 1. As such, for sphere 2, x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus this is plus z minus 4 whole square is equal to the 4. Now the equation for the sphere 2 is x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 4 whole square is equal to the 4. By comparing this equation with the general equation of the sphere, it gives us h is equal to the minus 2, k is equal to the 2 and L is equal to the 4. So the center of the sphere 2, call it O dash, will become H dash, K dash and L dash is equal to the minus 2, 2 and 4. And as such, by comparing the radius, then it gives us R square is equal to the 4. Then the R2, this is the equation of sphere 2, then R2 square is equal to the 4 and it gives us the radius of the sphere 2 is equal to the 2. Now let's consider this was the first sphere and this was the second sphere. The center of the first sphere is 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, and the center of the second sphere is minus 2, 2 and 4. Now the total distance between these two centers of the spheres is from O to O dash. First of all, we have to find the total distance between the centers of the sphere. So the distance formula will be used. According to the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square under the root. It may be x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square plus z1 minus z2 whole square under the root. Okay. Now, so the distance from O to O dash, O to O dash is equal to the 2 minus minus 2, it's become 2 plus 2, 1 minus 2 and 3 minus 4 whole square. Now it gives us 4 square, 1 square, minus 1 square 1 and minus 1 square 1. So it gives us 16 plus 2 is equal to the 18 and 18 can be written as 3 under the root of 2. This is the distance between the centers of the sphere. Okay, now the minimal distance between these two spheres will become from the initial point of sphere 1 to the initial point of the sphere 2. This will be the minimal distance. Now the minimal distance between two spheres come from say point A to point B. This is the minimal distance between two spheres and we have to find this minimal distance AB. So the minimal distance can be find out if we subtracting the addition of the radii of two spheres, then it gives us the minimal distance between two spheres. Now the minimal distance between two spheres is equal to the distance between the centers of the sphere minus the sum of their radii. Okay, so now the r1 here is 1 and r2 here is 2, so it become, this is already find out here, the distance between the centers, it is 3 under root 2, 3 under root 2 minus 1 plus 2, it gives us 3, so 3 will be common out, so it gives us 3 into under root 2 minus 1. So the minimal distance between two spheres having center 2 1 3 and minus 2 2 4 will be 3 under the root 2 minus 1. Now by comparing it with the option, it gives us option number E. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.